So as you saw in the previous clip, it's got nice broad leaves, very tight, densely packed seed pods that look very fuzzy. Everything on this plant is edible. The small leaves you can eat raw, the bigger leaves best to boil, just like spinach. The top of this plant, there's tiny little seeds that you can harvest, either added to salads, or if you put them in a pan, they pop like teeny tiny popcorn seeds. Let me harvest some and I'll show you what that looks like. Now to get the little seeds out, you just put it in your hands, take out the leaves, and just roll it around. And as you can see, there's all those little black seeds. Some of you might say it looks a lot like quinoa, and you'd be correct. It's from the same family. Some cultures, they take these seeds, you have to collect quite a lot of them, and they boil them almost into a mush, and they use that mush as a breakfast cereal. Well, I'm going to harvest some of these leaves to go with lunch. Just remember to harvest responsibly. Only take a couple of leaves from each plant. Don't completely destroy the plant for the sake of a meal. Well, I'm Mitch of the Bushcraft. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.